what are these? These are desks and benches, isn't it? Now, what are these usually made of? They are made of wood, right? Now, where do we get these from? That is, where do we get the wood from which we make these desks and benches? Well, they come from particular type of forests. So, where do we get these from? That is, from where do we get the wood to make these desks and benches? Well, such type of wood is found in particular type of forests such as evergreen and deciduous forests. So, the high quality wood from which we make desks and benches and many other furniture, they come from particular type of forests, which are evergreen and deciduous forests. Now, where can you find a Christmas tree? Where do you think? Well, again, the Christmas tree too comes from a special type of forest. Well, it's called a montane forest. So, in a montane forest, that is a forest in the mountainous region, you will find many trees which look exactly like the Christmas tree. So, we get the Christmas tree from the montane forest. So, if you see, in India, there are so many different types of forest. So, we have evergreen forest, we have deciduous forest, we have thorn and scrub forest, and we also have montane forest. Now, why are there so many different types of forest in our country? Because our country is a vast country and it has so many different climates and different regions, and trees which are suitable to a particular climate grow in a particular region, and as a result we have so many different types of forest or vegetation in our India. So different types of plants which we see in a region, they are basically vegetation of that region, and when they grow naturally, that is without the intervention of human beings, then we call them natural vegetation. So all these are types of natural vegetation in our country. So what is natural vegetation? Well, it refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by humans for a long time. So all these forests are basically natural vegetation of our country because they have grown naturally without human aid and they have been left undisturbed by humans for a long time. So the types of vegetation which you saw, all these are natural vegetation of our country. Now, your school's garden is a form of natural vegetation. Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, the answer is false. And why is it false? Because in the case of school's garden, the plant community has grown due to human intervention. That is, with human aid, these plants have grown. They haven't grown naturally. So, they are not natural vegetation. So, only when vegetation grows naturally without human intervention for a very long time, we call it natural vegetation. Now, if we talk about these vegetation types, then you can actually divide India into zones which have the particular type of vegetation. So, we have deciduous vegetation, that is this entire region. So, major part of India has deciduous type of vegetation or deciduous forests. Then we also have evergreen forests in our country. So, this entire region, including this region here, has evergreen forest. That is, these areas have evergreen type of vegetation. Then what about thorn and scrub? Well, this entire region here as well as here. This has a thorn and scrub type of vegetation because these are usually dry areas. And what about montane? Well, forest in the mountainous region. So this entire region here covered by mountains, and this region here has montane type of forest. So even according to type of vegetation, you can divide India into a number of zones, and 4 major types of vegetation or 4 major types of natural vegetation in India are deciduous, evergreen, thorn and scrub, and montane.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.